PowerPoint for Beginners Part 3, the Clipboard group. This tutorial will take a cursory look at the Home tab and delve into various commands within the Clipboard group. The Clipboard group has the copy command, the cut command, the paste command, the format painter command, the duplicate command hidden under the copy command drop-down list. Let's go through each command and familiarize ourselves with them. If you know how to use Microsoft Word, Excel and Access, then you can transfer your knowledge in those Clipboard commands into PowerPoint because they function similarly. Let's begin with the copy command. This is one of the most basic commands used alongside the paste command. Just select or highlight a text and click the copy command to copy. When you paste a copy text, you will have an exact copy of what you copied in the paste location. Alternatively, after highlighting a text, you can press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on the keyboard to achieve the same results. The next in line is the cut command. To use the cut command, select or highlight a text. Click the cut command on the ribbon. Move to a preferred location and hit the paste command to paste it. Once you paste, the cut text or image moves to the paste location. You can also opt for a shortcut key such as Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V on the keyboard to accomplish the same task. Let's look at the paste command. It has several options. We will copy a text and utilize these options. To paste a text or image, you must highlight the text. Select copy and hit on the paste command. You can paste by using the destination theme. Keep source formatting. Paste as a picture and paste by keeping text only. Let's go through them individually for you to understand them easily. Let's start with use destination theme. No matter the theme in the source slide or text, once you paste using this option, your destination theme will override the source theme. This may come in handy if you want the paste slide to take the theme of the slide you are working on. Paste by keeping the source formatting. The formatting style of the text you copy will remain the same as the one you copied, which may be helpful in some situations. Paste as picture. This will convert the copied text into an image, making it difficult to edit. Keep text only comes as handy when all you need from a copied text to a new slide is the plain text without any formatting. Simply put, it removes all the original formatting from the text. TechTricksGh. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. To paste a text or image, you must highlight the text. Select copy and click the paste drop-down list and select paste special. The paste dialog box pops up. You can paste the copied text as an image by choosing from a myriad of options available at your right side, or paste a copied link into a presentation. The duplicate command is located beneath the copy command. All you need is to navigate to the copy command, hit on the duplicate command, and instantly it will duplicate the current slide. In the next tutorial, we will look at the slide group within the Home tab and go through each command to become PowerPoint savvy. Subscribe to give us a reason to do more because TechTricksGh is here to stay. Thank you for watching.